screen looks familiar, you're probably annoyed. Let's fix the problem with your Joomla site. So, first of all, let's take a little peek here at our databases here. I'm using Bluehost, but this is applicable to whoever you're using. And I have all these databases. I don't even know which one actually is the problem, so I have to go into my FTP software, and let's open up this configuration file and take a peek at what's in there. Let's see. And we have all these settings here, and right here we have this public. Oh, that's not the one I want. I want the public DB. That'll tell you the name of your database, which is ending in JML6. Okay. So let's go back to here. Alright, there's my database. JML6. There are no users for this database right now. You need a user if you want to be able to use a database for anything. So we'll make a database, and we'll call it, you know what, just for fun, for you guys, we'll call it something crazy. Alright. So now let's go in here. We need a database, and copy it into the clipboard. I'll say that I saved it somewhere safe, even though I just copied it to the clipboard. Then we'll create that user. Alright, so it says it created the user. Great, that's fantastic. This is the part that a lot of people forget, is that even though we created that user is not associated and has no permissions on this database. See, still no users. So we have to go down here. It's going to be different on whoever you host with, but you can see this user exists. So what I have to do in Bluehost is I have to pick that user and then assign it privileges to this database. Now I say add. Alright, click add. Then we'll give it all privileges. We will make changes. And it says that was added to the database. Perfect. Let's go back. Alright, so everything is set here. We have a database, and we have a user that has full privileges. So now, let's go back here. And we're going to edit this configuration file to reflect that user's information. However, check this out right there. If this is set to 444, you're not going to be making any changes to this database. I mean, you can make the changes, but they're not going to take effect. So first thing we need to do is change the permissions on this file. Give it right permissions. It's going to change it to 644. Let's say OK. Or click OK. There we go. Now, let's edit this thing. Open it up. And, alright, here we go. The user. What the heck did I call it? I think I called it JML Aki. And the password is saved in my clipboard, so I will press Command V. Database name. Alright, this thing should be ready to rock. So, we will close that. We will make sure it uploads. Alright. Now let's go back to our browser. And let's refresh. And wha-bam! Look at that. That's the little Reese dog. That's Africa. And it works. Enjoy.